Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to factory reset the system on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings, so the car icon. Let's tap it. From the settings, let's use the upper bar to choose the system. Select system, and under system you can use the left menu to navigate and scroll down to the bottom to choose reset. As you can see, if you tap reset, you can tap reset again, and the reset can take a few minutes. The vehicle may only be moved again once the driver display, amongst other things, is available again. So if you are aware of this, and if you would like to delete all personal data, customize settings, and bring back the default configuration of your car, you can do it by tapping reset. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.